Hi, maayong sa tanan. Ubani ko ninyo mag-shopping. So, magpalit ko og kanang mga gamit diri sa balay angat-amat. Kay limited kayo ang ilang gi-provide diri sa accommodation nako. So, magdala tag ato ang shopping bag kay napansin ako diri no na wala sila kanang mga cellophane or anything carrier na i-provide para sa imuha. It's either you buy it from there or magdala kag imuha or car. So since wala man ko'y sakyanan, baktason lang nako ang kanang mga shopping outlets nearby. So kailangan nako og shopping bag. Ang isa pa is amat-amat lang atong shopping kay bugat. So dili pareha sa Pilipinas na mga tricycle nearby, wala diri, you need to walk by yourself. Tapos sa Kuwait pod, everything is accessible. Pagawas nimo sa grocery, may mga taxi area diri wala. So majority of them napansin ako for like almost 1 week na nako diri. Napansin ako na agad sila yung mga cars. Tapos kung mag-taxi ka, you can book online, which is a little bit challenging. So, kita, amat-amat lang. Pwede man siya i-everyday shopping na kanang mabitbit lang nako. So, muna siya. I-tour data mo diri sa akong accommodation. A little bit. Quick tour. So, mauday nilang gi-provide sa kuan na accommodation, no? Kani siya, naani siya sa kwarto, pero gipagawas na ako kay. This is the table and chair. Good for 2 actually siya. Tapos gamay. So, kung magkaon ka na kay visitor or what, dili siya enough. Tapos, na siya kalan. Tapos, na ay mini ref. Pasag di ilang sa ang mga hugasunon. Wala man tagadali. Tapos, maun siya ang toilet. Amat-amat lang nako siya anohon, no? Kani. Ay, shower. So, amat-amat lang nako siya limpyuhan. Kay magpalit sa kog mga cleaning materials. Tapos, mauna siya ang bedroom. Na sila gi-provide na couch, table. Tapos, mauna siya akong bed and cabinet. O, diba? Mauna siya. Napaday ko isa kaganahan dali no ang ilang window. I believe some of the buildings sa Kuwait ingani siya. Pero mauni siya kung ganahan kay ang ilang window curtain naa sa gawas mo. So ma-adjust nimo siya kung gusto mo light or very close, i-close nimo tanan. Tapos a little bit of light. Pwede po mo siya sa gano'n kung gusto nimo full light. Tapos privacy wise kay pwede nimo siya i-open na ingani. But if you wanted to go out and for safety purposes po, pwede mo siya i-open in this way, diba? Kaya kung i-open mo siya half full, ang mahitabo na ay pwedeng makasunod mo through the window. Pero kung in-ani siya, carry lang. Tapos gusto mo na i-air mag-flow, at least in-ani ang window pag open. Amazing lang, amaze ko.
Let's shop the basic grocery items, and especially this is from the Asian point of view of shopping. And a gentle reminder before going to the grocery stores, always bring your own shopping bag or shopping cart because they don't provide free shopping carts or shopping bags for you, or else you need to purchase it from the stores. Also, this is a heads up for everyone who is visiting Hungary or relocating for work. Majority of the items don't have any English translation, so Google Translate will be your best friend. The currency of Hungary is Hungarian forint and not euros. Even though euros is acceptable in some outlets, it is wise to use Hungarian forint as the currency. For today's shopping prices, I'm going to show you the basic prices based on the grocery shopping store Lidl, Tesco, and Ochan. As a nation, I believe rice is life. So rice here is costing from 600 to 1,500 foreign, and they are packing it from 500 grams to 1 kilogram. And so far, I haven't seen any 5 to 10, 20, or 25 packing for rice. They are normally selling it maximum 1 kilogram each. If you are a pasta lover like me, they also have a lot of different kinds of pasta more than rice. The price range is from 300 to 1,000 Hungarian forint, and the price depends on the brand and which kind of pasta you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy farfalle, spaghetti, macaroni, and some kind. Also, bread is very, very abundant here. So you can have a lot of different choices for loaf bread. The price range is from 400 to 800 Hungarian forint. It depends on the brand and which kind of bread do you want to choose as well. If there is a bread, of course, there is coffee. If you want to buy, let's say, 3-in-1 coffee, 100 grams to 1 kilogram, instant coffee, the price range is from 300 to 6,000 Hungarian forint.
Hilig magkape. Fresh ah.
Puno lang tayo sa Tesco. Mura. Instant coffee. No?
Ayan.
1, 2 lang. 12 dirham. Pwede na. Diba?
For vegetables, I can't give you the price range because it depends on which kind of vegetables you are going to purchase. But one thing I could say is that tropical vegetables are very challenging to find here. If you need to cook, or especially if you want to fry something, you need cooking oil. Cooking oil is being sold here from 500 ml to 1 liter. Price range is 800 to 4,000 Hungarian forint. It depends which kind of oil, if you are buying seed oil or the higher quality, which is olive oil. If you like frying or boiling eggs, from scrambled, sunny side up, or hard boiled egg, eggs here is from 600 to 2,000 Hungarian forint, 10 pieces to 30 pieces per tray. Pork is very much available here from 300 to 3,000 Hungarian forint, from 100 grams to 1 kilogram. It depends which kind of pork you want to buy. If you want to buy bacon, square cuts, ground pork, salami, and the like, you can find everything here. This is not so halal side, which I came from. Kuwait don't actually sell pork because it's not legal in Kuwait. So here I will have a pork party. Yay! Let's talk about cheese and milk. The price range is from 300 to 1,500 Hungarian forint. If you are using milk for your coffee, this is very important to know, which I do because I use milk for my coffee. And again, the price range depends on which kind of milk you are buying and the brand as well. Of course, you cannot just drink coffee and milk all the time. You also need water. Please pay a little bit of attention when it comes to buying water. If you notice, there are different kind of water bottle lid colors. So there is pink. This one is the still water or distilled water. This has no flavor. Green is also a still water but a little bit carbonated. When you open it, it's like soft drinks, but there's no taste. Also, the blue is a carbonated water, and if you will buy white water bottle lids, it's a sparkling water. Some of it has a flavor or flavored water. So you need to pay attention with that. And I will highly suggest buying water with pink water bottle lid. For the people who wanted to leave this planet very early, you can use soft drinks as your water. The price range is 400 or 500 to 700 Hungarian forint for 1.5 to 2 liters of Coke. White wine, red wine, rose wine, champagne, and all different kinds of alcohol drinks is actually very much available here. And I've noticed that it's not so pricey as I believe or as I thought so. It's very much affordable. It depends also on the brand and the age of the wine. If you want to drink beer before you go to sleep, a can of beer here is from 200 to 400 Hungarian forint. And the price range also depends on which brand. Before I will end this video, I will put videos of additional stuff for basic hygiene and utilities. As you can see, the prices are very much visible, but I highly recommend that you go to the website of Lidl, Tesco, or Auchan. Check every single details, how much is the price of the things that you will need before coming here. This is for budget purposes. You need to budget your money. You need to have an estimate of how much you can spend for grocery monthly, and you will not get surprised, at least for preparation purposes, because whatever are the prices on website is very much the same physically. And if there are sale or some discount, then you will know for yourself. For mode of payment, credit card, debit card is very much acceptable. Apple Pay, Google Pay is also very acceptable. Cash is very much acceptable in Hungarian forint. Euros is also acceptable, but there is a limit. I believe 200 euros is the maximum that you can use for the grocery shopping. So for other outlets, I'm not sure. It's very much advisable for you to have an exchange or exchange your euros to Hungarian forint for easy access. Thank you. That's it. Thank you so much. And I hope if you have questions, if you have objections, just let me know, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much.